definitely similarities between driving a car and playing the game of AFL. One in particular is the vision. You've got to have really good awareness around you, looking in all your mirrors, your back mirror, your side mirrors, constant awareness of where the cars are around you and where you are on the road. And that's akin to being on the ground, picking up a footy and knowing where your teammate is. But I also think that every time you get into a car, you have the responsibility to look after the person in the car and yourself. And I think that that's really alike to looking after your teammates on the footy field. So I think there are some really key similarities between the two. It's really important for women and girls to know how to change a tyre. Knowledge is power, and it's power in the fact that we can make the right decisions about our safety. Every time we get into a car, we have a responsibility to look after ourselves and people in the car, and I think if we have that knowledge, all individuals can make that right choice. Some really important tips that I'd give about car safety is the fact that we always need to be checking our tyre pressures and tyre treads every 2 to 3 weeks. It's also really important to make sure that we keeping an eye on our roads. We've got a really important responsibility there to look after our own safety and others, but also that we're not trying to rush from place to place. I know that I'm a really busy person and everyone else is also really busy at times throughout their life, and we have that tendency to rush and get to places as quickly as we can, but I think it's really important that we don't rush on our roads, because that's where accidents can happen. I check my tyres every 2 to 3 weeks, but it's important to check two things. One is your tyre pressure, and the other one is your tread depth. My number one tip for budding AFLW players is don't let anything stop you. As on the field, if you get knocked down, you've got to get back up. So if a challenge comes along, attack it with full force and go and grab what you want. Winning the AFLW Premiership was so exciting. It was absolutely unbelievable, and it was an incredible testament to the power of our team. Not only the players, but the coaches and our support staff and our sponsors. Bob Jane, a crucial part in getting us on the field every week. So it was an absolutely incredible win, and we hope to back it up again next year. I've only been playing footy for just over 2 years now. I grew up playing the sport of netball and wanted to be an Australian Diamond, and it was only after a couple of setbacks that I missed a couple of team selections at World Cup that I decided to give footy a crack, and I absolutely hadn't kicked a football before in my life, so I learnt the game from scratch, and it's been an incredible journey to this point, and it's going to keep continuing.